Hi everyone, Zero here with another announcement. I don't really know how to say this without my usual spiel. Okay, so hi guys, welcome. This is another quick announcement about a dev kit that we have updated from before. Now, a while back we did a video on the Ebody dev kit, and it was the Ebody Reborn kit, and kind of never talked about it ever since, but apparently that body has been updated, and so the kit needed to be updated to reflect that. This kit is far more advanced than that last one that we did, and I'm just going to do a quick rundown showing you things that are here that you can use it for. Yeah, not so much as how to rig to it, because the process is exactly the same as the last one. So let's begin. This dev kit is a plain Jane Blender render kit. I like to call them Blender render kits because it's a lot fun than just saying plain Jane or vanilla Blender, which means that you don't need Avastar or any other kind of plugin or add-on in order to create with it. You can just rig your stuff to it and then go to File, Export, Collada Day, just a regular one, and then you would do operator presets, second light rig, and then press export. So no fancy things, anybody can use this kit. Another thing that we did is that we have the alpha cuts references on here, so you can, let me just take it so there's just the body. Whoa, what was that? Blender manual. Sorry about that. So you can click on it and you can see where the cuts are on the body, so that will help you better, plan out where you want your alphas and stuff to be. Now, if you don't want any of that, you can just select all of the body and then press join, and then you can work on it and use it, export it so that you can use it inside of Marvelous Designer. Now, if those lines are bothering you, you can always press, go into edit mode, press A, and then remove the doubles, and you can use it as that. Now, with this update, we also have some add-ons and stuff that are in here now. We have the Juicy Rolls add-on, so that you can use that for your modeling, but this doesn't really make a good one. So you come over to this side, and this is a more simplified one without all the alpha cuts and stuff around, so it's already prepared for you to use and export out and import into your preferred environments. We also have a model where the Juicy Rolls are already on here, so you can use that for your stuff that you want to do. Now, another thing that people had asked me for while we were working on it is for the ability to make your shoes and your textures, and that's what we have done here. So you see we have feet with the toenails on there, as well as different levels that you can select. So we have the socks and different feet. So level 2 all the way up there, so you can plan. I'm sure to put a high foot. Now that's the dragging the feet. Okay, there you go. So you have the feet add-on, so you can make your shoes if you wanted to. And we also have nails, so that you can do your texturing and stuff for the nails. Now, that being said, the texture is here, so everything has the proper UVs, so you can texture it properly and get your stuff going. And the same is done over here on this side for texturing on the body. So you see you have your textures and stuff, so you can take that into Substance Painter and make all the textures that you need and want. Everything is ready for you to go. Just select your layer, build up your avatar, export it, and take it to where you need to take it so that you can make the stuff that you need to make. So that's it for that update, or quick update run through. That's everything that we changed. The link for the download is in the description, so you can just grab that. It's going to be pretty much in the Discord and everywhere else I post stuff. So if you just look around real quick, you guys can get yourself a copy of the body and start, well, the body's dev kit, and start developing. Sorry, I'm trying to talk fast and get it quick, because I'll be here for an hour explaining it, like, and over here we have the right butt cheek. Different from the left butt cheek. This one is fuller and easier to texture. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial announcement. I'm not really going to do a tutorial on this one because, like I said, the previous one still stands. This is just the updated version for people who were having problems with it. Oh, and it's fun to say that it works on the old Blender. As you can see, I'm down here in 2.79. You don't need to have the latest Blender to make this work or any other plugins. So just dive in and start making stuff and make those big butt dreams a reality. Alright, see you guys hopefully with the next tutorial. Yeah, bye, have fun, and good luck.